Raining money, ELIMO question. When did piles of horse manure become obsolete in New York City? A. 1889, when Democrats dumped it in the ocean. B. 1895, when the first Department of Street Cleaning was invented. C. 1898, at the World Summit on Horse Manure. Or D. 1903, when Henry Ford produced the Model T car. Get our free app and get a bucket for the catch. New questions every 30 minutes. Skip on over to rainingmoney.com or be social with us at Raining Money CRM. Raining Money app is brought to you by ELIMO. To know is not enough. We must apply.